Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick video. I'm not going to show you all the cutting and everything of how I get 6 of the lip balm holders, chapstick holders, lip balms, whatever you want to call them, in one hoop, and how I do the back, setting everything on the back, putting in the front. So it's just going to be a quick video. I won't talk through it. I'll just kind of speed it up so you get the idea. Where I need to talk, I'll just give you a few little pointers. If you have any questions down in the comments, would be great. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Any other questions or ideas, pop them in that comment section and I'll see what I can do for you. So let's get started. So I actually have my 6x10 with tearaway. I have everything ready to go. Everything's pre-cut. I have a pattern for the front, or actually a full pattern for the back. I use a plain vinyl, and then I use the pattern for the pocket. So pretty much all my lip balms are done that way, and then I actually bring the snap forward so that the pattern is still shown. So just a quick, you'll see how I do it and get it in the hoop. And I actually use a tacky spray to tack everything down on the back and on the front, except for the pocket I use tape, so you'll see that. So I use actually the Aleene's tacky spray. I do have a little spray booth down below. There's plenty of air in here in circulation, so don't be concerned on that for me. I'm good. And I'll just really quick run through how I do it. And let's get started. So I've got the pattern with 6 ready to go. And we'll move that. And my first thing I'm going to do is a placement line for all 6. Then I'm going to attach the back and the front. I'm going to stitch to hold those down, to tack them down. Then I'm going to attach the pocket and do a full stitch once I get the pocket. Okay, I don't have the lines, I don't make the lines, I don't sew them out, I don't like to. I just know how far down it is on the pattern that I make. It's 7/8, so I'm going to measure from the top of this line down. I'm going to measure 7/8, and that'll be the top of my pocket. Oops. And this one I make sure it's straight across, that it's right even. I don't want a crooked pocket. Not easy to sit there and cut it and everything after it's put on there. I have my tape ready. Alright, we're all done. That's how quick and easy it is. Take your tapes off. Check to make sure everything's in the back done, nothing turned on you, nothing flipped up. Make sure all the stitching's good. Then you're just going to go in and trim the backs of your threads so they're not hanging out. Pull them out, and then that's me, I use it. People know me by now that do, is I always have my lighter. Always use the lighter at the back where the threads are, just to get them to ball up and secure so they don't come out. Then once you cut it out like this, you're going to put your snaps on. And like I said, I put my snaps different. Some fold it backwards and do it. I actually fold it forward so that the design blends in with the design on the front. You have the full design on the back, and because I use the plain vinyl on the inside, I go ahead and put my snap forward so that the design is still shown. Plus the snap, here's my ring, and then if you do a D-ring with the lobster claw, make sure you put that on first before your snap. I use just these rings, and I use snaps so that people can put it on wherever and whatever they want. So once, let me grab the chapstick really quick. This is my other theory on this, of putting the snap forward so that your lip balm isn't going to fall out as easy, because it's got a little stopper there kind of. So if it starts to work its way out, this kind of helps it stay in a little bit. Just my theory. So you can do it either way, going forward or going backwards. And that's the lip balm and how I get 6 in it. I'm sorry. And we'll back up a little bit on this. So I've got 6 in my 10-inch hoop, and I can also do 2 more across the top like I showed in the other one, and that's how quick and easy it is putting the pieces together. So I hope you enjoyed. Real quick video for you. Do a little bit of editing to make the sewing quicker for you so you're not too bored. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get more notifications, and there you go. A little chapstick holder and how I do 6 in a 10-inch hoop. So badbobbin.com if you want to get some designs. That's me, and we'll see you next time. Meet you at the cutting table.